This is the Westfalia water tank for onboard water usage, and here's the failed internal pump from there, and this is a external pump from an RV with the mounting plate that we need to drill holes for. In order to drill into a confined space, I use this adapter into the drill to make the 3 holes to mount the pump. Okay, here's the water pump installed, and hose coming up, the other hose there, and the 3 bolts and nuts securing it. This is where I filled it to test the pump from the water tank to the sink.